Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we have Toca Life Blocks, so let's open it up. We have 15% off for friends and family if you want to give that to your friend. And we have a little pizza right here. Let's take it off. It's not real pizza. Pizza right here. And then there's a little card that says, "Keep an eye out for my tag around town." And we have little name tags. We have name tags. This one says Midge on it, and this one has Rita on it. And there's some other ones if you want to write your name on it. Put that there. And there's some instructions what it comes with. And some more. Then we have airbrush markers. It comes with 3 of them. It comes with green, blue, and orange. And here's a little thing. It has all the comforts on it. Okay, so we opened it up. And it comes with these 2 iron-on patches. It comes with Silly Burger and Rita. We can put that right here. And then we have a big brown paper. Let's see what's inside of it. It comes with like a little wall and a little subway too. Then we have a name generator. We can put in my favorite colors. And I was born in June. And favorite color is pink. I'm Cool Milk. Then we have a stencil right here. And then we have stickers that you can color on to make your own stickers. And some more. And these really cool stickers that we have right here. And here's a wall you can put together. And you can graffiti on it. And then, so let's do some things. So, maybe we can decorate a sticker. Okay, so a sticker is a sticker. Let's open these up. Grab them because they fell down. We can use these airbrush markers. I've never done these airbrush markers. So let's color on one of them. Let's color a little. We're gonna draw on this bone sticker. So let's draw a little doggy on it. And here's my dog right there on the bone. And you can color it some more. And that's pretty much it for today's video. And bye-bye.